You are going to love the 2009 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: powered driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.